So this is the right route to take on a worldwide or time trial or just anywhere on like a race. So the first thing you have to do is just do that and then trick right there. You have to trick. And then do that. Not too hard. And then by the way, this is on Big Nature City. Big Nature City is a pretty good track. So if you have a shroom, just take this route. It's a little faster. And then, yeah. And then, do not take the straightaway route. Instead, take this route. It's a whole bunch faster. And it could just win you the race. So yeah. My hands are going insane. So anyway, yeah, and then you just take that route to go inside the cannon. And then, as you can see, you just finish the lap. And what sucks about lap 2 is that it pulls a grumble volcano on you, and then the platform just falls, so you can't take the shortcut or this shortcut. They both won't work, so yeah. That's the right route to take on that one.